Good afternoon, everybody. This is Rich and Katie down on the river, Rich's River Smokers, West Virginia. Today what we're going to do for you is we are going to revise our how to maple cure homemade bacon. Basically, how do you cure homemade bacon, but we're a fan of the maple cure from LEM Products. I'll show you that here in a little bit. But we're going to go ahead and go out in the garage, get those pork bellies out of the refrigerator, and we're going to go ahead and get this stuff mixed up. So stick with us. Like I said, we're using our LEM Products Backwoods Bacon Cure Maple Style. We are really a big fan of this. This is probably our, third batch using this, and this does 25 pounds. So we're going to get this thing ripped open, and it's LEM Products. I'll leave their link in the description box. Hit show more. So check them out, LEM Products Backwoods. They have all kinds of stuff, your sausage grinders, your stuffers, dehydrators, everything. So check them out, guys. I am not affiliate, but I do love their site and their products. So we'll get this stuff mixed up. All right, guys, here it is. The Bacon Cure by LEM Products. And inside, you'll find a bag of cure. This is a 25, it's supposed to be over 25 pounds of cure. So on the back of here, it shows you to make a 25 pounds. So we got roughly about 16 pounds of pork belly, but we're gonna go ahead and we're just gonna mix this up and use it as we do. So usually we just pour the whole thing in here, like so. And then here's your cure packet. And so what you do is I'll leave a link to our couple of videos. We got 2 videos on how to make bacon. But I don't think they're as good as this one's gonna be. So there's our maple seasoning. And here's our cure. So you just pour that in there like that. See, it's pink. I don't know if you can pick up on the pink. Yeah, you can. Right there. Never mind the noise in the background. We're doing little dishes. So you just take and just fluff it. You can see it like that. So there you are. Cure's in. So we'll get this pork belly in a couple pans and I'll catch you back. All right, guys, we got these pork bellies from our local butcher shop. I'm actually curing these up to slice them to sell them by the pound, actually. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our cure that we have and our seasoning that we made up, and we're going to use it all between these two. We're going to cover them up on this side, both sides, flip them around. So stick with us. Guys, what I've basically done, as you saw, is I've dusted these real good, and look, it's already starting to sweat the meat. So what I did was I dumped them out, and what fell off the meat right here is make sure you get your edges. So we're going to go ahead and get them real good. This isn't rocket science, folks. I want to tell you what, homemade bacon is the only way to go. I mean, I don't know how many times, gotta tell everybody, but the homemade bacon is the way to go. So you just cover it with your reserve that you have in the pan. Make sure that you get all the edges. If not, we're gonna be flipping these anyway. So just make sure you get all your edges. It'll still cure up. So, and don't be shy, folks. You're gonna pay good money for this cure. Make sure you get it all in there. So we're gonna go ahead and use the rest of that. There's a big old belly there. We're gonna use there. So let me get things cleaned up. I'll explain the next step. Everybody, we're back. We got our pork bellies ready to go into the refrigerator in the garage. So what we're gonna do now, so we have all of our pork belly dusted up. We got them in big pans. What we're gonna do now is we're going to put these in the refrigerator and we're gonna flip them every 24 hours for 7 days. So we'll get these things up, wrapped up with aluminum foil on top, and we'll see out the refrigerator. All right, everybody, we got our bacon, our pork bellies in our cure in our pans and covered aluminum foil. And this is our outside refrigerator. So we're gonna see you tomorrow when we flip these pork bellies over. All right, guys, it's me, it's back, we're back. We're in the garage and we're ready to flip the bacon we started yesterday. So hang tight. All right, guys, here is the pork belly. This is the thinner pork belly. What we're gonna do is just simply turn it over and make sure it's flat and back in the juices. We're gonna do that to the other one, and we're gonna put them back in the refrigerator, and we'll see you tomorrow. All right, guys, we're done in the garage. Don't mind me, I'm just beating around the house today. So what we're doing is we're curing that bacon for 7 days, and we just flipped the second pork belly. So we're gonna see you tomorrow evening. All right, it's Monday night. We put these pork bellies on to cure for bacon, and Saturday afternoon. So we flipped them yesterday. It was Sunday. So we flipped them. So today is Monday. And we're gonna flip these pork butts, our pork bellies, and we'll give you a shot after we flip them over. All right, everybody, we flipped our pork bellies. So, like I said, tonight's Monday night. Tomorrow night's Tuesday. We're gonna be smoking these things probably Sunday morning. Sunday afternoon, Sunday morning. So we'll see you tomorrow. Right, folks, it is Tuesday evening. Look at that pork belly. Now, of course, it's a little darker through the camera than I'm seeing with my eye, but man, look at that belly. So what we'll do is we'll just go on ahead and we'll just let the juices drain a little bit. And that liquid is from the pork belly, pulling the stuff from it, so you just kind of smash it back down. Okay, so there we go. That's all it is to it. Look at that side. I'll tell you what, these pork bellies are from a local butcher shop. They're not from Costco or anywhere else. I prefer Costco, I believe, but these will work for now. So, all right, guys. Well, we're gonna flip the other one, and we'll see you on tomorrow, which is Wednesday. All right, guys. It's Wednesday evening, around about the same time as it was yesterday. It's around 6 o'clock. So we'll just take and just flip this over again. And again, this is a little lighter than what the camera is saying. This isn't really that dark right here. But you can tell we're getting a good season, a good, very good cure on this. I love this LEM Products Maple Cure for Bacon Cure. We've actually done the original. Next one we're going to do hickory. So we really enjoy this. So we're going to flip the other belly, and we'll see you tomorrow, which will be Thursday. So everybody, the pork belly, we're going to flip it. It's Thursday evening, in the evening time. So we're going to flip this pork belly over. Looking and smelling good. And remember, this isn't as dark as the camera says. So, all right, there it is, Thursday evening. So we'll see you Friday. All right, guys, it's Friday evening. a little past our normal time. And look at that, man, this bacon looks great. It's not as, like I said, I keep saying the camera was making it look darker than what it is. So we're just gonna go ahead, look at all that. So we're just gonna go ahead and just sit there. Look at that, man, it's beautiful. Look at that, it's awful dark, like I said, it's not burgundy or purple looking. This is gonna be good bacon. We always make good bacon here on the river. So, guys, okay, this is Friday evening. I have to work tomorrow, which is Saturday. So tomorrow evening, we will soak this. We'll take this out of this pan, and we're gonna rinse it down with water. But we'll show you the next step. So this is the last night of cure. We'll see you on Saturday evening. All right, guys, it's Saturday night, Saturday evening. The bacon is, in my eyes, cured. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna rinse it off with some tap water. Just rinse it. We're gonna get all the slimy stuff off of it from the cure process, and we're gonna get back to you when we put it in a pot to soak for 2 hours. All right, guys, we got our first pork belly in our pot to soak under cold water. We're gonna leave it soak for 2 hours. Then we'll put it on a screen, on a rack, and we'll put it back in the refrigerator. So we'll get back to you then. See you in 2 hours. All right, guys, we got our pork bellies soaked for 2 hours apiece. This one's been in here for 2 hours, and it's already starting to develop that pellicle that you need. That one there just went in. So we'll see you in about 12, 16 hours. All right, guys, we're back, and we have our 270 set at 150 and rising with our maple wood, and here is our pork belly getting ready to go on Saturday afternoon. It's about 11 o'clock, 11:30, almost 12 o'clock. So we're gonna get this pork bellies on. So look at that, man. It smells great. The 270, 270smokers.com. Check them out, guys. Right there. Check them out. The bomb. So we're gonna get back with you. There they are, guys. Pork bellies are in, and we'll see you later. All right, guys. A little bit of cooker flake there from the roof. It's not that bad, it'll come right off. But anyway, here's the pork bellies after 2 hours in there. So we're gonna go ahead and tempt these things to see where we're at. Remember, we're looking for 149 is what I'm looking for. Okay, we're at 127. 121. 132. 130. Okay. Cooker flake. Okay. So look at this is the bottom one's going to get done before the top one. So what we're going to do is we're going to close this thing up and leave her rock. All right, guys. It's been 3 hours since we've checked on. Well, it's an hour since we checked on our bacon, but we're going to go ahead and temp it. So I'll go ahead and pull this bottom rack out. All right. So go ahead and temp it. $143 there. 141 there. 144. The top one is 135. 140. So, all right. So the bottom one's almost done. We'll give the bottom one another half hour. So we'll see you in a half hour. All right, guys. Our pork bellies are done. We're gonna leave them. We're gonna bring them off the cooker. We're gonna take them inside, leave them come down to room temperature, and then we're gonna shove them in the refrigerator for 24 hours. All right, guys. All right. After we pulled these off the smoker, all we did was we let them get the room temperature, took them in the house, let them get room temperature, then we brought them out to the refrigerator. And look at the color. Bacon's gonna be phenomenal. So we'll leave these set in the refrigerator for 24 hours, and we'll slice them tomorrow night. So we'll see you tomorrow evening right before we slice them. All right, guys, we got that pork belly. We got that. Sorry, we got that pork belly sliced up. We got some on the on the stove, as you can hear it back here. And give me a second. We'll give you a taste test. Hey guys, that bacon. Boy, looks phenomenal, doesn't it? That maple cure, that maple wood. The salt from the cure and the maple flavor. Oh wow. Try this recipe, guys. I mean, it is crazy good. LEMproducts.com. Link in the description box to show more. Try this out, guys. You're not going to go wrong with it. So, like, subscribe, share. When you share with your friends and family, tell them the best bacon comes from the river. And we'll see you on the next one.